Hey, what's going on YouTube? If you're new to the channel, my name is D and you're now watching New Touch Auto. In this video, we're gonna show you how to get into your vehicle when it's locked and the battery is dead. Stay tuned if you wanna find out how to do so. Welcome back to the video. Now in this video, we're gonna unlock this vehicle. Currently the vehicle is not locked, I can get inside it, but the battery is dead, but the trunk is locked. There's no other way to get into it. You open the hood, you have no inputs to charge up your car. Everything's in the back. So we gotta go to the back of this C7 Corvette. Now in the back, we have the battery. But as mentioned, it's locked. We can't get inside it. Only one way to do so, and that's right in the rear area. Now with the Corvette, there are two ways to open the trunk. You have the button that's inside, and then you have the exterior on the outside where you can open it in the trunk area. It's on the lower right hand side, right underneath the tag plate, and it's there. You see that hole right there? That's the input. The only way to get to that is with the key. You'll have to take your key. You'll have to remove it and take it out. Once you take it out, you have a key there. Now this key will open that lock. You go to insert it inside the hole. And you'll hear the... So now we got the trunk open. So go ahead and open that, and you'll find your battery here, right up under there. That's where your battery is located. So once you pull your flap back, just be careful about splitting it. Make sure you want to get it over this first. Slide it back this way and pull it out. Charge your battery. You're all set. Take your time pulling it back. Fold it. Pull it back. You'll find a cover here. Put it to the side. Battery. And here you find your battery. You have both terminals. And the way to remove this cover, flap here, you have your positive. So that concludes the end of the video. For those who haven't subscribed, please feel free to do so. But for those who have, thank you. See y'all on the next one.